Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Nails Art. Today I want to discuss with you about some shades which always looks beautiful and perfect. Before we start, newbies subscribe my channel quickly for latest videos. Now it's time to start the discussion. First of all, we will talk about black color for nail art creations. Black is a beautiful color and always looks shiny, glittery and gorgeous on nails. Mostly people like black color. With pink, green, white and grey color combinations, black always looks pretty. Next we will talk about pink color for nails. Pink is a beautiful color. It always makes nails decent, stylish, pretty and fabulous. With different color combinations, pink color presents a gorgeous look. Shades of green color also looks beautiful on nails. Light and dark shades always make something creative and looks beautiful. Orange is a beautiful color we can carry with the matching with our dresses. We can also create something funky with this color. Let's talk about white color. White is a neutral color and always looks so smooth, subtle and decent. Black and white combination can make a beautiful art on nails. Again, we can carry it with our dress matching. Grey is also a beautiful color and perfect for nails. Sky blue is looks so good and stunning on nails and leaving a impact. Brown is a perfect shade for nails. It's always looks enhancing the nail beauty and light and dark shades make a good impact on nails. Blue also a beautiful nail color. You can see here white and grey combination looking so perfect and gorgeous. White and red combination always looks so good and pretty. We can create something funky, decent and fabulous with different colors on nails. You can carry all colors on your nails. Remember to share your amazing results with me. Can't wait to your nail art skills in action. Have an amazing day. Please subscribe my channel firstly. Thank you so much to like this